The COVID 19 pandemic imposed severe in restaurant dining restrictions that deteriously affected the restaurant industry. According to industry experts, there has been a bloodbath in the industry because of COVID 19 curves. A survey estimates that nearly 40% restaurants have shut down globally, and because of the same, many waiters, butlers lost their source of income. But now, things have started changing as people are getting vaccinated. The traffic in restaurants and cafes have started to increase. Although strict hygiene rules have been foisted, citizens are concerned about catching the COVID 19 infection in restaurants and cafes as they are frequented by a variety of people. And as things begin to move back to normal, because of that traffic, it becomes very hectic for the workers, such as waiters, to provide the necessary priority towards their customers. And this is a massive reason why restaurants lost their customers. As they say, patience is the key, but not everyone owns it. We believe that with the power of AI, this can be solved if we proceed creatively. Thus, we make QuikServe. QuikServe is a PWA which has been specially curated for waiters so that the customers can spend more time eating their food rather than eating their time. We simplify the current approaches that are undertaken in most of the restaurants, starting from taking the order till the checkout. Different technologies has been leveraged while building this application. Well, that's too much talk. Let's just jump into demo. Our fully working web app is primarily built with React.js using Tailwind CSS. We use Firebase for OAuth. Inside that app, we have different sections, each registered for doing different operations. For the first instance of the day, the user, that is the worker, needs to check himself or herself in before using the main features. The check-in only works when the user is in the geofence of that restaurant, for which we are using Mapbox for the visualization. Then we have completed and pending orders according to tables where waiters can visit and take orders directly using input audio from customers, which is processed by Assembly AI's API. We fetch useful information like transcriptions, highlighted keywords, phrases, emotions, etc. Else can also take notes manually. Once we are done with the order, the same can also be used to scan the barcode of the food item, which comes with the table, and then confirm the order by taking the bills into account. During checkout, that bill itself is processed in the backend using Gina AI, running on Paddle Paddle OCR, hosted as a Docker image. We then split the billing terms of the customer of that table and preview that bill directly. We also have a profile section which is easily customizable. Well, we all know that these data are very confidential. Recently, we got to hear news about the Domino's Pizza data breach, where the financial data of 180 plus million users got exposed. And this is one of the reasons we are backing up all of this important media on IPFS. Most of the attack happened on the transport layer. That is the reason we primarily went with interplanetary file system. IPFS uses transport encryption. This means that your data is secure when being sent from one IPFS node to another. Next, we have also used Firebase Cloud Functions for syncing up with all those custom created APIs that run the show. Wondering how we made all this? Here we go. We are a team of three driven by innovations. What we create during our hackathons is just the tip of the iceberg, and we believe this project can help us bring a positive change in the current restaurant industry by improving the standards as well as the revenue. Feel free to check out our GitHub and contribute to the project. Thanks for watching.